This is going to be a quick unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy Watch. This is Samsung's latest smartwatch. It's a successor to the Gear S3 Frontier and the Gear Sport. New for the Galaxy Watch and Samsung's smartwatches, it comes in two sizes, 42mm and 46mm. The 42mm comes in rose gold and black. This one's the black 42mm. The 46mm comes in kind of a silver black color scheme. There will be an LTE version, but that's coming later this year in Canada. So let's take them. As you can see, this one has long battery life. You have your fitness tracking and whatnot. There's support for 35 workouts. Swim ready, water resistant, up to 5 atmospheres or 50 meters. You can expect up to 2 days or 3 days of battery life on the 42mm Galaxy Watch. On the bigger 46mm one, you can get like 3-4 days of like continuous use. So let's dig inside the box. So here we have the watch itself. It's similar design to previous Samsung smartwatches. You have the rotating bezel, the 2 buttons, there's a heart rate monitor and whatnot, and kind of a silicone band, which is quick release, so you can swap it out with all different types of bands. Just for comparison, this one is the Gear S3 Frontier, this is the Galaxy Watch, so it is a bit smaller, especially in the screen size, and it's much lighter. This is much more closer in weight to the Gear Sport. So else in the box, you have the micro USB cable, wall adapter, another band, so it comes with 2 kind of bottom bands, a small and a large, and the charging cradle. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy Watch.